Part 2 of my video repairing a Raptor SD. Now here are the brackets I took out. These are the transmission mounting brackets. There's a transmission right there. So if you look, you can tell that this one right here, it completely broke. That's from the transmissions working themselves back and forth. So I'm not sure what broke first, but if you look over there, there's a repair that he's made before. So this isn't the first time that he's dealt with these issues. Now these things have a 3-year warranty, so if you have any issues like this, then you're under warranty, and I think there's a few things they've done to extend your warranty on repairing these. So this video is more to help the people that don't have a warranty and they just need to do it themselves. Well, right here we have that transmission with the cut fans. So yeah, I gotta do something about that. I got new fans over here in this kit. So yeah, the fans they recommend come with a new nut for them, but I got those ones, so that's what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put some red Loctite on it. I think that's the main reason they want it. They have Loctite on the inside. Now this transmission doesn't seem like it has any noticeable leaks. Now the reservoir is completely dry. If you look down there where it does look a little wet, you look at the aluminum's actually indented from the cross brace working its way back and forth on the transmissions. So when these brackets break, the transmission can move back and forth, and yeah, that cross brace is trying to keep them in place, and yeah, it's hard on that aluminum. Now over here, this one right here is just dirty. The oil got all over it and got dirt embedded in it. So this one really needs something done with it. Now here's the other fan that's butchered. So yeah, there's more work I gotta do with this one. Not sure where the oil came from. This is the side that the oil drains on the engine, so maybe some of it's that. But I got a seal repair kit right here. So if I need to, this is for ZT2800. A hydro gear transmission, so that's what this is. So that's probably where I'm going to leave it for tonight. But yeah, I'll be back with part 3, and by then I'll know whether this needs tore down or not. And if I do, I'll take a little bit of video of what to do to repair it. But I'll wash it, try to track down my leaks, and then yeah, I'll go from there.